And we are saying criminals will be treated as criminals, not because of where you come from. Kwa hivyo tusiambiwe na mtu asiatuambie sisi ati wewe deputy president, ati vijana ni wetu, wachieni hao wafanye vile wanataka. Hatuwezi. And that one, people should know very clearly that it cannot happen. And the fifth administration, led by President William Ruto, is not the one that will allow the resurgence of that criminal gang or other gangs ya kuja kusubuana na wananchi. And in the same token, even what has happened in Meru, huyo kijana ameuawa, the law must take its course. Na tungetaka DCI to quickly conclude those investigations, and whoever is responsible must face the law, irrespective of your political position, irrespective of your status in society, because the law is uniform to the people of Kenya, and that is what must happen. Kwa hivyo, Rais, sisi tungetaka tukushukuru.